morning, children. Yesterday we have studied about the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Today let us continue with isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. Already in the last two chapters we have studied about different types of isomerism. So here in this case, let us see aldehydes and ketones shows which are types of isomerism. Like other compounds, haloalkanes, alcohols, etc. They also shows the types of structural isomerism like first one you consider chain isomerism. For example, you consider CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. What is the name of this compound? Yes, it is pentanal. Yeah, pentane 1R. The same compound we can write it as CH3, CH3, CH2, CHO. This compound we can consider it as 2-methyl butanol. So now in this case, both the compounds are having same molecular formula, but they shows difference in carbon chain, carbon skeleton. Is it clear, children? So this type of isomerism in which compound possesses same molecular formula but shows difference in carbon chain. The first compound contains a chain of 5 carbon atom and second compound possesses a chain of 4 carbon atom. So this type of structural isomerism is termed as chain isomerism. Is it clear, children? Next one let us consider. That is an example for ketone also we can consider here. CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. Or you can consider it as CH3, CH3, CO, CH3. Again you see the molecular formula is the same, but you can see difference in the carbon skeleton. So this type of isomerism in which the compound possesses same molecular formula but shows difference in carbon skeleton is termed as chain isomerism. Like the second one, let us consider position isomerism. Children, in case of aliphatic aldehyde, normally aldehyde always remains in the first position. But in case of aromatic aldehyde as well as ketones, you can see the presence of position isomerism. For example, if you consider CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. This compound is termed as pentane 3-one, or if you write it as CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now this is pentane 2-one. So pentane 2-one and pentane 3-one are position isomers of each other. You can see that the position of functional group is different. Is it clear, children? So position isomerism is the type of structural isomerism in which compound shows difference in the position of functional group. Third one we can say that the third type of structural isomerism what this aldehydes and ketone shows is functional isomerism. That is, if you consider, let us consider the compound CH3, CO, CH3. Children, can you tell me the name of this compound? Yes, it is propanone. The first one is propanone and second one is propanol. That means we can say that aldehydes and ketones are functional isomers of each other. They are showing difference in the functional group, but they are isomers of each other. Is it clear, children? And in addition to this, even like ethers, ketone shows metamerism also. Is it clear? That is about isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. Now let us study about the method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First method we can consider by the oxidation of alcohol, or from alcohols we can consider. From alcohols, and in this first method let us consider oxidation. That is, if you consider primary alcohol RCH2OH undergoes oxidation in presence of any of the oxidizing agents like alkaline KMnO4, acidified K2Cr2O7, or you can use concentrated HNO3, or you can use here pyridinium chlorochromate PCC. Pyridinium chlorochromate, or we can use Jones reagent. These are all, children, good oxidizing agent where primary alcohol undergoes oxidation and produces aldehyde. Is it clear? Primary alcohols on oxidation will give you aldehyde. Similarly, secondary alcohol, if you consider R2CHOH under the same conditions undergoes oxidation and produces ketone as the product. Secondary alcohol alcohol undergoes oxidation under the same condition and will give you ketones. Is it clear, children? That is primary alcohols on oxidation will give you aldehyde and secondary alcohol on oxidation will give you ketone. Is it clear? Now from alcohol itself, let us consider the second method, that is dehydrogenation process. That is, again we can say that primary alcohol undergoes dehydrogenation in presence of copper catalyst at about 573 Kelvin and will give you aldehyde as the product. Is it clear, children? Primary alcohol undergoes dehydrogenation in presence of copper catalyst at about 573 Kelvin and produces aldehyde. But on the other hand, secondary alcohol on dehydrogenation will give you ketone as the product. Is it clear? So we have seen two different methods from alcohol. First is by the oxidation and second by dehydrogenation. Is it clear? Okay, now let us consider the second method, that is from, we can consider acid chloride. Here, from acid chloride, the preparation of aldehyde is termed as Rosenmann's reduction. So first let us study about Rosenmann's reduction. In this case, that is acid chloride undergoes reduction in presence of palladium supported on barium sulfate, which is poisoned with sulfur or quinoline and produces aldehyde as the product. Is it clear, children? Acid chloride undergoes reduction with hydrogen in presence of palladium supported on barium sulfide poisoned with sulfur produces aldehyde. Suppose if you want to prepare ketone, then it is not Rosenmann's reduction. It is this Rosenmann's reduction is very important, children. Here we can say that the role of sulfur means it avoids the further oxidation. It acts as a poison, so it avoids the further oxidation of aldehyde to carboxylic acid. Now for ketones we can see that is acid chloride undergoes reaction with dialkyl cadmium. That is acid chloride undergoes reaction with dialkyl cadmium and produces ketone as the product. Is it clear, children? So from acid chloride, ketones can be produced by the reaction of acid chloride with the dialkyl cadmium. Is it clear? That is about the second method for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Now children, the rest methods we will study in next class. Thank you.